Guys, and now for the headliner removal. This thing was a pain in the ass. So first was the A-pillar removal. Then you take off your dome lamp. If you guys don't know how to do it, open a little drawer. This is 2016 SXT model. There's gonna be 2 Torx right there. Let's call it the oh shit handles are right there. Those are 2 Torx. For the other ones right there, 2 Torx as well. And you have this guy right here. It's 1 Torx bolt. And all of it pulls out. Let me show you guys kind of what I can't really get back there. I already put it together. But that's kind of what it looks like. It's not too bad getting out of there. Then right here with your seatbelt, this right here, 1 Torx bolt right here on the top. It pops out. Sorry for moving the camera, you guys. And behind it, I'm gonna show you guys how to. I might just do a video how I put everything. You know what? I'll just do that how I do everything put back together. And get your 3rd brake lamp right here. I believe you have clips right here or right here. I'm not too sure. But you got to put your finger in the headliner, pull it down. You hear the clips. On my roof, you guys, I have a lot of foam. Some stayed, some went. So that's kind of what I'm looking at. I think on the headliner, the foam parts, and they got little sticky tabs right here that they're still there. But I bought some Gorilla Glue, so after I get it all painted and ready to put it back up, I'm going to just put the Gorilla Glue back where I see the foam pieces, and maybe that'll keep it stable. And how I got it out, that was the hard part. I put my seats all the way forward. My back seat I put forward too. I took these down, rested them, and I worked it all the way back out from my rear passenger. From a rear driver, I'm sorry. It bent a little bit, but it didn't do anything permanent, so it will bend. And I kind of squeezed one end in here, the other end up here, sandwiched it, the seat was down, and I pulled it out. And I think that's pretty much all I have to show you guys right now. And when I vinyl wrap it, I'm going to be taking off the antenna. I don't know what size bolt that is. Looks like maybe 10 or up. I'm taking that off so I can vinyl wrap my hood tomorrow morning. My roof tomorrow morning. But if you guys have any questions, please let me know right now so I can answer them and show you guys what I need to show you if you guys want to see the headliner. Alright, bye.